Hello and welcome to the Savera. This is Tinkle before you. The Indian Meteorological Department in its latest weather bulletin has forecasted ongoing heat wave conditions for West Uttar Pradesh, Haryana and Punjab to continue. These regions are expected to experience hot weather on June 24 and 25, with a subsequent decrease in heat wave intensity. In Punjab, temperatures have been steadily rising for the second consecutive day. The average temperature has increased by 1.5 degrees, prompting the Meteorological Department to issue a heat wave alert for 13 districts. The maximum temperature recorded was 43.7 degrees in Faridkot on Sunday evening. A yellow alert issued by the Meteorological Department indicates a heat wave today and in the districts including Gurdaspur, Amritsar, Taran, Jalandhar and others, where temperatures could range between 42 to 45 degrees. This warning extends to June 25 with intensified heat wave conditions anticipated. While the Meteorological Department has issued a heat wave warning for June 24 and 25, the relief from scorching heat is expected with pre-monsoon showers hitting in Punjab from June 26. On June 26 and 27, light rain is expected in some areas of Punjab. Cloud cover will provide temporary relief from the heat with more widespread rainfall likely on June 28. The current pre-monsoon period brings concerning news for Punjab and Haryana both as they face significant rainfall deficits. Punjab reported a 72% deficit while Haryana experienced 77% shortfall. Chandigarh recorded a severe deficit of 92% during this crucial period. The lack of rainfall poses challenges for agriculture, particularly as Punjab and Haryana collectively cultivate around 45 lakh hectares of land for crops like paddy and basmati. The pre-monsoon period is vital for transplanting and sowing, with canal water covering only 21% of Punjab's agricultural lands, increasing reliance on groundwater. Pre-monsoon showers are crucial for crops such as spring maize, moong and sunflower, which precede paddy cultivation and rely heavily on irrigation. From June 1 to June 22, Punjab should have received 31.9 mm of rainfall but have received only 8.8 mm. Haryana received 7.6 mm against an expected of 32.7 mm and Chandigarh received just 7.9 mm compared to the usual 97.1 mm. Fazilka in Punjab stands out with surplus rainfall receiving 25.8 mm compared to the 19.1 mm, marking 35.5% excess. However, districts like Fatehgarh Sahib, Firozpur, Mohali, Nawashehar and others faced significant rainfall deficits ranging from 80 to 96%. Last year presented a different scenario, with Punjab experiencing a surplus of 37% rainfall during the same period. In Haryana, districts like Jhajjar and Fatehabad reported 100% rainfall deficits, while others received significantly less rainfall. Punjab's average annual rainfall is about 650 mm, with the majority falling during the June to September monsoon season. According to weather forecasts, isolated places in Punjab and Haryana may experience another heat wave on Monday and Tuesday, and thereafter relief with rain is likely on June 28. Well, that's all for now. For more major updates, stay tuned to the Savera.